welcome to How Ines Rolls. Today we are vlogging. So I'm gonna take you along with me throughout our day. And right now, we're having some breakfast because it is summer and it is cereal time. So I just got these at Walmart. They were $1 each, and I haven't had Frosted Flakes in forever. So Jonas, you want to have some cereal this morning?
Sure.
Looks like a cereal morning. Usually I've been eating like those protein bagels, those 2-ingredient protein bagels, and I try to keep them in the freezer. So maybe I'll have one for lunch, but so good with tomatoes and lemon pepper. If you haven't had that, so good on bagels. So let's just get started eating because I got a lot planned this morning. Good morning, Ezzy. So last night and a couple nights before that even, Paul and I have been binge watching Good Girls. Have any of you been watching Good Girls? Let me know in the comments. We've gotten to the point where we are like 6 episodes shy of the first part of the second season. So we're buying them from Amazon because then we could catch up on episode 7. It's that good, guys. Okay. So do you notice that Ezra and I are both wearing white shirts?
That's PFB.
Yeah, it's the PFB shirt. We are headed to Chick Fil A.
Okay.
Today is Chick Fil A Dress Like a Cow Day. And so we do it every year. We look like fools, but we get free food. And actually, we don't really look like fools. They really encourage it a lot. And this actual week is a couple other free thing, or another free thing where you can go on 7-Eleven, which is going to be on Friday, and get free Slurpees. So take your kids, take your family. It is so fun, right? So we'll take you along, and I'm also going to show you our costumes. So I went online and found some masks that we can use for our Chick Fil A visit. So I'm going to get everybody set up because we're going to be going pretty quick here. Maybe having a bowl of cereal wasn't a good idea, but it was okay. It was just a small bowl. So I'm just going to get everything situated. I'm also making some for Kobe and his friend as they're going to be going after work. And so I'm going to give them some spots so they can have some fun later with getting dressed up because it'll be pretty busy. So let me get Jonas right now since he is right next to me in his PFB too. Woo, woo. So he wanted to wear a black shirt, so we're going to make white spots for him. Turn like this so we can see. Do you want to cut me some more?
Yeah.
And then I'm just going to start tying this on. And then he can push it up and it could be like a headband until we get there. Oh yeah, and for that he'll get free meal. All right, Ezzy's turn. Who's this cute cow? Who is it? It's Ezra. Are you ready for Chick Fil A? Yes, now it's my turn. I think I'm ready to go now. It's so fun. And so when I get back, I can do some cleaning and cutting up of the fruit that you saw on the counter, but this is just a fun thing to do with the kids. Plus, we get a free meal. Woo, woo, free meal. Let me know in the comments if you love Chick Fil A, or even if you haven't gone, let me know. What does the cow say?
Yeah.
No, you're supposed to say more chicken, less beef.
More chicken. They both got some kids meals for free. That's awesome. And then I got a wrap that my son, we hear some unhappy kids, that my son said I would love. Well, that was quite the madhouse, and it isn't even lunchtime. So if you went, let me know in the comments what kind of lines you met. Chick Fil A is super fast, so it wasn't too bad, but it was a lot of kids in there, and we were just trying to pass off some of our masks to other people, and we were able to pass off to a couple of people, so I was super happy about that too. So my son used to work here, my oldest son Isaiah, who's on the mission right now, and he worked there for like a year, and he learned so many wonderful things and how polite people are that work there. I love Chick Fil A employees for sure. So now I ended up buying Paul a meal, and I got him a gluten-free bun, so we're gonna go deliver. So we just dropped off a meal for Paul from Chick Fil A, which I was just so happy they had a gluten-free bun. And so now we're at the Dollar Tree because tonight we are going to the movies as a family, and I'll let you know more about that. But I wonder what candies they're gonna get. Look at all the school supplies. Jonas is like, what'd you say?
No.
He doesn't even want to look at school supplies right now. It's only my favorite time of year. So we went and got some candy, and of course we got a couple other things. So I'll show you a couple of things that I bought when I get home. I can't wait to go to the movies. We got some little treats here. I pretty much got something for everybody. Ezra picked 2 things. How'd that happen? You better share. And I love this scent of soap, so I just saw one and I got it. These are permanent markers, but they aren't like Sharpie, so when I use them in my classroom, it'll only be temporary. Boo. But that's okay. And then I got these for Jonas because he needed something for school. He was not happy about picking up back to school stuff, but oh well. And then these cute little trays are not very big. You can see in comparison to my hand. So they'll be great for the classroom for like art projects. So I just got a couple. I never see them. Jonas got that, just a little zipper pouch for his folder. And then I saw this. I've been seeing these on Instagram and on not grocery hauls, Dollar Tree hauls. And I thought I could do something really cutesy with that. So stay tuned for what I create. So pretty much all we're doing right now is just catching up on video game time and just kind of straightening up. So I was cleaning up my room upstairs a little bit, had some laundry going, and I just realized I have this watermelon that I need to cut before we go on vacation. So I love eating like fruits in the summer. It's my favorite. But I feel like I'm not getting my best watermelons lately. So yeah, this one is mostly good. It's a little riper right in here, but it'll be fine. And I also have a cantaloupe. I feel like I've been doing better on cantaloupes than watermelons, but I think this is okay. Do you guys have a special way of cutting your watermelons? I really don't. But I've seen some really great ways where they've scored it like this, and then they score it like this, and then they cut it, and then they just kind of chop it up into the bowl. Totally easy. If I remember, I do that, but this is kind of like a moment where I just kind of zone out. So, anyways, I'm all done cutting some fruit, so I'll just leave it on the counter for a couple of minutes for the kids because I've already been eating it. But every time I cut a watermelon and I have a rind, I always think of my chickens. I miss them because I would always let them eat what was left on the rinds, and it was like the sweetest treat for them. So let me know if you have any chickens. I'd love to know. So I'm just getting things ready, just kind of cleaning up. Like I said, nothing, it's kind of boring. But we are getting ready to go on a vacation soon. So I have some things already packing. That's our swim bag, just making sure everything's there. That's just some treats to take and water bottles. But look at that. That is back to school stuff. So for my classroom. So I'm so excited because it's that time of year again. But the way that I've packed upstairs is I just did like a bunch of laundry from over the weekend.
and I'm just putting things away, but then I'm putting them in the luggage. So that way I don't have to do it all last minute. So I'm smart. Ding. No, it's just one way that I don't have to put away a lot of laundry. I just kind of pack it up. So let me know some of your travel tips. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for Paul. I'll start on dinner in a little while. Pretty much we're having leftovers, but I thought I would make Paul one of those packets that I got from Walmart. I think it's like the potato and the asparagus one, and I'll just make some quick rice. And pretty much that's for him because we still have leftovers that the boys and I can eat. So it's just kind of a leftovers night before we head out to the movies. And we're still deciding on Spider-Man or Toy Story 4. So we'll see. So I have my air fryer, my microwave, and my oven going all at the same time. So in the oven, I'm making this for Paul. And so far, I'm super impressed. So I hope it tastes as good as it looks. Ezra's getting some pizza. Huh, Ez? You want some pizza?
Yeah.
And I got fruit right here. Plus, we have some more of that spicy, or I have some of that I have some ramen in the microwave for Jonas. So everything's turning out so good. Plus, I still have leftover wrap from Chick Fil A. So we're good. We're good. And we even have some dessert for the movies. So let's eat. So we did decide on a movie tonight. What are we going to go see, Ez?
Toy Story 4.
Toy Story 4, finally. So it'll just be me and Ezzy and Paul. And then the other boys are going to go see Yesterday. I'm looking at Kobe because he has tickets. So he's going to go see the movie Yesterday. So let me know if you've seen either one of those movies because they look really good. So let's get ready to go. So we're at the movies. What do you think? Can't wait? What are we going to see?
Toy Story 4.
Toy Story 4. And we're here with ridiculously priced drinks.
$7.13.
$7.13.
That's
Great.
the first and last time I'll ever pay for a movie theater soda. It's free refill, so I'm coming back.
Oh yeah, multiple times. Woohoo!
You saw 4 young pandas
Smile more,
practicing
yeah.
their martial arts skills in the end.
Yeah, you got a friend in me.
So we just finished the Toy Story movie. What do you think?
That was awesome.
Did you really like it?
Yeah, it was sad at the end.
It was sad a tiny bit, but it was a really good movie, huh? So I'm glad we came.
Yeah.
And that's it, you guys. We had a really fun day going to Chick Fil A, and we went to go see Dad,
Yeah,
and we came to the movies,
yeah.
which was the best part, huh? So thanks for stopping by my channel. We're so grateful to all of you. We're so glad that you're our friends, and we are hoping that you'll have a wonderful evening. So stick around.
You just never know what you be rolling out next.
What we're rolling out next. Bye, everyone.
Bye.